Are you thinking about getting a divorce and you are unsure where and how to start? This video will guide you through the exact steps you need to take legally and practically. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sulaiman Salwa, a legal practitioner in Nigeria. Today I'll be sharing with us the practical steps in getting a successful divorce in Nigeria. So like I said in my previous video, if you want to end your union with your partner, you go to court. There's nothing like signing divorce papers to end a legal and statutory marriage. So there are three types of marriage in Nigeria. We have customary marriage, also known as traditional marriage, native law and custom. That kind of marriage where you share kola nut is actually valid under our law in Nigeria. The second one is Islamic marriage, and the third one, the one that concerns us in this video, is statutory marriage under the act. The one you know as court marriage. So the law that governs divorce in Nigeria is the Matrimonial Causes Act. So this act recognizes a sole ground for dissolving a marriage in Nigeria, and the sole ground is that the marriage has broken down irretrievably. That is, the marriage is over and the differences cannot be managed. The marriage is over due to irreconcilable differences. So there are several facts the court will consider before the court can come to the conclusion that indeed this marriage has broken down irretrievably. So in my subsequent video, I will be explaining these facts in details. Also note that before you can go to court, before you can ask the court to dissolve your marriage, the marriage must be 2 years and above. That is, the marriage must have clocked 2 years. So if your marriage is not up to 2 years, you can't go to court, you can't petition, you can't institute a divorce proceeding in court. There are exceptions to this general rule that your marriage must have clocked 2 years before you can institute a divorce proceeding in court. So in my subsequent video, I'll also be explaining the exceptions to this general rule. So what are the steps to getting a divorce in Nigeria? The first step is to engage a lawyer. So you can decide to engage a family lawyer because a family lawyer is so vast in divorce cases. So he has handled plethora of divorce cases before, so he knows how best to handle your case. So that's not to say that you cannot engage any other lawyer that is not specialized in divorce matters. You can actually engage any other lawyer too. Well, you are expected to disclose all